Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on Do Not Disturb in Asana. So if you don't want to get notifications for a while, you can easily turn on the Do Not Disturb. Let me show you how. Once you're in Asana, go ahead and click your account on the upper right and go to your profile. Then click on Edit Profile at the top there and just switch this to the notifications section. Scroll all the way down to the bottom and you will find Do Not Disturb. Once you expand this, scroll down a bit, you can pause all notifications. So simple click on that, or you can say Do Not Notify Me and set a specific period or even for a couple of days, right? So just go ahead and do that. So I'm going to show you each how it works. So I'm going to say pause notifications and let's say pause that for the next 8 hours. And that's it. When it's ready again, once the 8 hours is over, it's going to automatically resume. Or you can go back there and resume it yourself. Let's say I want to do it again for a specific time schedule. So I can choose this and I can say specific time and just basically set this for whenever I want. Because as you can see here, once you basically choose, for example, 8 hours, you don't have something more. You just have until tomorrow, 1 hour, 30 minutes, all the way up to 8 hours. But you can say this, you can set for a schedule and you can just basically set it for a specific time here. So you can say from 5:30 to whatever time you want, you can basically do it. The other option, as you can see, is days. It says do not disturb on these days. You can say, for example, weekends, and it will turn on the do not disturb for you for weekends, so you're not disturbed. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.